Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Yamaha FZ-6. This is a 600cc inline 4-cylinder naked sport bike with an upright seating position. Super great for cruising or commuting around the bay. It's in amazing, fantastic condition, like showroom. Only has 761 miles on the odometer. It's liquid cooled, so very long lasting. Fuel injection, so it's easy to start, hot or cold. Gorgeous metallic red paint scheme with a mini fairing up front to take the wind off of you. This bike is a really fantastic buy at $44.99. It's got the really cool up high mounted exhaust system coming out the back. All stock. Again, just 761 miles. Oh yeah, this one has a center stand too. That's pretty rare these days. Makes servicing the chain and the rear wheel very simple. You can lubricate the chain easily with it on the center stand. 6-speed manual transmission. 2006 Yamaha FZ-6, only $44.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have insurance. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.